All right, so you are on a super secret page with a special deal that nobody else has access to, and it's not public. So if you got here, certainly someone is looking out for you and they gave you a direct link to this page. Now this page gives you access to a special deal on Voisi that gets you all the products in the funnel for a crazy price. People who come to the Voisi main page get Voisi Elite, and then they have the option to buy some really high quality relevant products and upgrades that makes their business even smoother, that gives them even more power. Now on this page you get access to all of those products in one big fat package, one big fat bundle for a crazy price. It gives you access to Voisi Elite and the Pro upgrade, so you get the best version of Voisi with all the features, all the voices, the best features unlocked, the capability to process 50 campaigns, 2 years of upgrades, commercial license, the absolute works. But that's not all. We also get you AI Collective Pro. Now, if you don't know AI Collective, it is a software that gives you the capability to talk to all the AI chatbots in one place. That means you get access to ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4, you get access to Claude, to Llama 3, and actually 40 AIs in one place. We say about AI Collective, why talk to one AI when you can talk to all of them in one place? That's the offer. Now here is the thing, if you try to get access to all of these AIs outside of AI Collective, you will be paying $20 for ChatGPT, $20 for Claude, $20 for this and that, and your bill is going to be more than $100 a month for only a fraction of the AIs that you get inside of AI Collective. And with AI Collective, you will get access to everything for less than what you would pay in a month otherwise. Now that's not all, we also get you TubeRank Pro. TubeRank is a long-standing, highly successful YouTube SEO software that has helped thousands of YouTubers. With TubeRank, you will be able to unlock the best potential from your videos, get them to the best ranking possible, because it makes things easy. And we also have AI in it, so it will do your optimization and SEO work in just a matter of minutes. But that's not all. You also get Pixie Pro. Pixie is a powerful multi-AI graphics AI toolkit that lets you create and modify images using AI. Again, it's like having all the different AI software, AI tools to work on images. It's a totally unbelievable toolkit that has 150 workflows that are ready-made. You will never have to write a prompt again. It's that easy. But that is also not all, because to add the cream on top, today you will also get VidScribe Pro. VidScribe is a special tool that lets you localize your videos into any language you want. Not just redubbing, not just subtitling, but you can actually translate your videos into the language of your choice. So you can bring in an English language video, make it into French, the audio will turn into French, and then you can reach to an audience that you could never tap before. This is the way to have your videos reach local language markets. And again, you are going to get pro versions of all these software. If you were to buy these software separately, you would be paying more than $200 a year just to get access. But today on this page, you're going to see a price that you won't be able to believe. It's going to save you over 80% of what you would pay if you were not on this page. So make sure that you capitalize on this offer. I am not sure that I will keep it up for a long time. It is definitely costing me money, and I'm only offering it to you temporarily. You discovered it through that link. If it's still working, grab it now, and I will see you on the other side.